Before we start the video, I want you to subscribe to the best Telegram channel at the first link in the description, where we show our earnings on cryptocurrencies, and not only. Our capital that we manage is more than $3 million. Thanks for subscribing. Also in the description is a links to verified exchangers when you register, on which you get a welcome bonus from me. Let's get to the video. Dear friends, hello everyone. If you want to know what will happen with cryptocurrency in 2023, 2024 and 2025, you should definitely watch this video. Because, based on this information, you will already be able to build and plan your future investments. Enjoy watching it. In today's video, I will give you my forecast for the next crypto bull market. The basic concept in investing is that you buy cheap and sell expensive. That's why, back in 2019, we advised people to buy Bitcoin when it was at $3,000. But buying low is only half the battle, because you also need to know when to get out of the market and take profits. I released the video on February 8, 2021. That's that period on the Bitcoin chart. My video was called "Sell Your Bitcoin from April to October 2021. The crash will come in 2022. The chart now highlights April-October 2021. These are the periods when I advised selling my Bitcoins. If you look at historical patterns, after the crash, Bitcoin continues to rise for about 12 to 18 months. During that time there is a bull market. But, after that period, the growth stops and Bitcoin starts to fall hard. The fall is about 8,090%. After that, the cycle repeats all over again. Based on all the data, we can predict that the Bitcoin bull market will end around April 2021 to October 2021. So, the question is, how did we know this was going to happen? And how did we know when it was going to happen? The main reason is that this is not the first bull market. I have experience, observation, and the ability to analyze the market. The exact same situation happened in 2017 and years earlier. And the same thing should have happened in 2022. And the next cycle should happen again in 2024. Now, let me tell you what I think will happen to cryptocurrency in 2023. Friends, I'd like to remind you that there are only a few days left when you can join our closed club at a reduced price. Starting January 1, there will be an annual closed club price increase. So if you're interested, you can find all the information in the description below this video. Next year we'll see growth in the cryptocurrency market. This growth will not be the biggest, but it will still be significant. It will be similar to what happened in 2019. But, compared to that year, the growth will be more massive. And now I will tell you about the real and biggest rally in the cryptocurrency market. The last halving of Bitcoin occurred in May 2020. The next halving of Bitcoin will happen in the first half of 2024. After that, it will likely take 12 to 18 months for Bitcoin to reach its peak values. Therefore, we can expect the bull market to peak in mid-2025. This is the baseline scenario. This is my opinion as to what will happen to Bitcoin in 2023, 2024, and 2025. Now I'll explain it in more detail. 2023, we will see a rise in the crypto market because, sooner or later, the US Federal Reserve will have to stop its tightening of monetary policy. There is a lot of overlap between the stock market and the cryptocurrency market when we talk about the actions of the Fed USA and monetary policy. In the future, the Fed will cut its interest rates and quantitative tightening will end. The consequences will manifest themselves in two things. The first thing is economic expansion, which will benefit the cryptocurrency market. The second thing is a weakening of the USA dollar. This will be a positive signal for most assets, including Bitcoin. The quantitative tightening that is happening right now is negatively affecting all financial markets. This includes the debt market, the stock market, the cryptocurrency market, and the real estate market. But the markets are expected to turn around in 2023. This will happen because the government has taken on too much debt for it to be able to finance its excessive spending. Therefore, the government simply cannot afford to pay the interest on its debts at such high interest rates. Therefore, the tightening of monetary policy must stop. And I assume it will stop in 2023. That's the same year interest rates will be lowered. In 2024, we will see the halving of Bitcoin. It is after that we will see a new bull market. In 2025, we will see a continuation of the bull market because of economic stabilization, because of increased supply and demand, and because of an improving macroeconomic environment. All of this will be a big positive driver for the growth of the cryptocurrency market in 2025. This will be the best time to sell your assets because, let me remind you, the basic concept in investing is to buy cheap and sell expensive. But despite all my predictions and my warnings, people will still screw it up. I know this. People will lose patience. They will start buying different shitcoins. They will become greedy. Their emotions will prevail. People will behave irrationally. In addition, they will buy and sell assets at the worst possible moment without controlling their capital in any way. So, a little advice for you. If you want to invest in anything, be it stocks or cryptocurrency, you don't have to go to a bank and invest everything you have. It's best to stick with a value averaging strategy. And the same goes for when you lock in your assets and get out of the market. Friends, what are your predictions for the cryptocurrency market in 2023? Be sure to share your opinions in the comments below this video. In the meantime, I want to thank you for watching. I wish you good, positive, and profitable investments. Bye everyone.